If you're thinking about writing your book but don't know where to start, then you would want to watch this video till the end. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ezinne Edet and I am a creative writer and editor who helps writers find their voice and earn from their skill. If this is something that you are interested in, then you'd want to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more videos. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to write your book in 7 steps, even if you only have an idea. The first thing you will want to do before actually writing your book is think about what you want to write. This process is called brainstorming. When brainstorming, ask yourself these key questions. What do I want to say? How do I want to say it? Who is going to read what I'm writing? Do I have enough resources to start writing? Which leads us to the next step, researching. Before you start writing, you want to make sure that you have enough resources to start writing. Go online and search for the topic that you are writing about. Has someone already written something in this topic? And if someone has, what is the new thing that you can bring to the table? What new idea can you bring? What new angle can you view this topic from? What area has not yet been explored on this topic? These are the things that you would want to find out. You could also speak to someone who is a professional in the field that you are writing about to get more ideas. After brainstorming and researching, you can now begin to outline your ideas. An outline is like a mind map or a skeletal framework of your idea. You can also call your outline your book plan. Imagine that writing a book is like building a house. Before you build any house, you must first of all draw up a plan for the house. So, your outline is that plan. After outlining your book, you can start writing the first draft. Now, remember, this process is called drafting, not the actual writing of the book. Drafting is a way to get the idea out of your head and to flesh it out. So, at this point, focus more on writing than editing. Do not pay attention to grammatical errors or any other kind of errors. Just pay attention to writing. You may be wondering why I said focus more on writing when you're drafting your work. It's because the next step is revising. After you're done writing your first draft, you want to go back to what you have written and revise it. I'll give you a checklist that you can use while revising. It's called ARMS. ARMS is an acronym for A, add sentences or words, R, remove words or sentences, M, move words or sentences, S, substitute a word or sentence. Now, I want you to understand that revising is not the same thing as editing. So, when you're done revising your work, you'll want to go ahead and edit it. I'll recommend that even though you self-edit, you still send your manuscript to a professional editor who is going to look at it critically and make the necessary corrections. When self-editing, use the COPS checklist. C stands for capitalization. Ensure that you use capital letters in the right places. U stands for usage. Make sure that you match nouns to the appropriate verb tenses. P stands for punctuation. Check your work to make sure that your punctuations are appropriately used. S stands for spellings. Check all words to make sure that they are spelled correctly. If this video has been helpful to you so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos. After you are done self-editing and a professional editor has looked through your manuscript and made the necessary corrections, then it's time to publish. There are 2 ways that you can publish your book: traditional publishing or self-publishing. Traditional publishing simply means when you send your manuscript to a publisher to print and publish your book. While self-publishing, as the name implies, means publishing your book by yourself. There are various platforms that you can use to self-publish, but the most common is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. If you would like to learn how to self-publish your book on Amazon, then you'll want to watch this playlist here. And that's how you write your book from start to finish. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to leave a comment and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.